The FR part of the all-in-one remover kit enables powerful implant removal with over 400 Newton of force, while minimizing bone loss. Remove the screw from the implant. Remove the prosthesis connected to the implant. Step 1. Rotate clockwise to connect the remover screw matching the target fixture screw size and the power hex, octa-compatible with the connection. Step 2. Secure the power positioner onto the upper part of the assembled power hex, octa. Step 3. Manually hold the power positioner and accurately seat the lower connection part of the power hex, octa onto the fixture. Use the FR driver to tighten the remover screw clockwise up to 30 Newton and connect it to the fixture. Step 4. Remove the FR driver and power positioner, then rotate the fixture remover counterclockwise until it is securely engaged. Remove the fixture by rotating counterclockwise with appropriate force using a torque control device. The implant removed intact upon removal. Enable the immediate placement of a same-sized implant.